Good morning everyone. So today let's discuss about one topic, that is accounting a science or an art? So before going to the answer that whether it is a science or an art, first of all we have to understand about the meaning of science and art and the concept of accounting as a science and the concept of accounting from the perspective of an art. Okay, so what is an art? An art is something with which one person do the task effectively or efficiently. Okay, so art is a method or art is a process. Art is the skill that is inbuilt in the person. Okay, inbuilt in the person means it is created or formed by the person internally. Okay, so to do something in an effective and efficient manner is known as art, right? So a cook know how to cook the food in a tastier manner. Okay, means tasty food can be cooked by the cook itself. So it is an art of the cook. A comedian know how to make laugh of a person, means how to bring smile into the face of a person. Okay, so this is the art of a comedian. So a person know how to communicate. So to communicate in an effective way or manner is also known as an art. Okay, so what is the concept of accounting from the perspective of this art? So in art we came to know that person's skills and techniques are used, right? Person's skills and techniques are used to present the things in such a way that the other person get influenced, right? So art, in from this point of view, accounting is the process or technique or skill used by the accountant. Okay, accounting is the skill or technique used by the accountant to influence the other parties interested in that information. Okay, so in a business, this is a business. Okay, this is a business. In this business there are accountant. Okay, accountants are there. These accountants are preparing accounts. Okay, these accountants are preparing accounts. This information about the accounts, okay, this information of what accounts data are required by other person. Okay, who are the other person who are interested in this information? Suppose the businessman itself, the outsider, that is he may be the banker. Okay, outsider, users, there are outsiders. Who are outsider users? Banker maybe. Okay, banker, other suppliers who supply goods to the business, suppliers. Okay, so these are the person, outsiders or users who are interested in these accounts. Okay, which are prepared by accountants under the business. Okay, so in this business the accountants must have that art or skill to present the information of accounts in such a way that the outsider or users get influenced to invest in that business. Okay, so which means in this business accountants are preparing accounts and these accountants must have the art or skill or technique, inbuilt skill or technique to present the accounts, the information relating to accounts in such a manner to the outsider or users that this banker, supplier and other investors, okay, other investors wants to invest in that business itself. Okay, so this is from the part of art that the accounting is an art. Okay, so that the accountants are able to influence the other parties or can influence the other parties or manipulate the other parties who are interested in the business. Okay, who are interested in the business and who can invest in this business for future. So art means to communicate in an effective and efficient manner. So this is the concept of accounting from the perspective of an art. Now, what is the point of view accounting as a science? So science means law, theory, rules, regulation and principles. Okay, science means law, some rules, regulations, principles and theories. Okay, so when we are going to do an experiment, okay, we are going or trying to do an experiment under a science subject. Okay, so when we are going to do or solve a problem and going to do an experiment, then at that moment, if we do not follow this type of law or rules and principles relating to that subjects, okay, then there will be problem. So what type of problem? It may not be possible for us to find out the solution. Okay, because we have not followed the rules and principles. So same way, in accounting, there are also rules, law, theory, principles and regulations. Okay, with which accounting is done. Means accounting process, under accounting process. Okay, under accounting process, there are also some rules, theories, regulations and principles. Okay, with which it is possible to do or complete the accounting process, without which we can't achieve the targeted results. Okay, or it will be not possible for us to find out the exact result, accurate result of the accounting, okay, or accounts. So for which we need some rules and regulation, same as like which are under science subject. That's why we can sum up the result of the question, that is accounting a science or an art? Yes, the accounting is both an art and a science. Okay, so accounting is an art as well as science, where we got the technique, skill to communicate the accounting information in such a way, efficiently or effectively, that the other user get influence. Okay, and under science, we got to know that as there are some rules, law, theory, regulation and principle under science subjects, same way in accounting there are some rules, regulation, principles, law and theory, with which we have to complete our accounting process or accounts. Okay, without which it is not possible to do the accounts. That's why we can say that art and science is both are under the accounting subject or accounting process. So accounting is an art as well as science. So this is all about today. After that, in the next class, we will discuss about accounting as the language of business. Okay, accounting as the language of business, why the accounts are known as language of business, why the accounting is known as language of business. And after that, we will discuss about the characteristics of accounting, features of accounting, characteristics of bookkeeping. Okay, and then we will discuss about its objectives or functions or uses of accounting, where to use, what are the functions, activities of accounting, and for what we use, for what type of objectives are fulfilled from this accounting process. So under this art system, okay, accounting is an art. Under the art system or under the art concept, we also able to accomplish our objectives, okay, which means we have to influence someone, we have to complete a target, we have to complete that task or desired goal, and it is possible only with the help of this art, because it is possible to do the task in a skill manner or in a tactfully, okay, tactfully. So accounting is an art as well as science. You got to know it. Are you getting it? So if there is any queries, please ask me.